Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Al Munir High School, class KG. Today we are going to do the work of vocabulary with A to Z, vowels and consonants on the page number 12 on your book Al Hira Vocabulary Workbook. Al Hira Vocabulary Workbook. Now let's read the ABC. A B ba, C ko, D da, E F fa, G ga, H ha, I J ja, K kha, L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Here is your small letters ABC. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W Y Z. In the ABC, in the alphabet letters, there are 26 letters, 26 alphabets divided into 5 vowels and 21 consonants. And you can see the alphabets are divided in 2 groups, and one is vowels and the second one is consonants. And there are 5 alphabet letters in vowels and 21 in consonants. And the vowels are A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. A apple, E elephant, I igloo, O octopus, U umbrella. Now here we have these consonants. Here we have consonants, and the consonants are 21 alphabets. And which alphabets are consonants? Let's read them. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. You can see these are 21 alphabets, and these alphabets are called consonants. And what are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. You can see there are these 5 letters are missing in these alphabets. You can see A is not here, E is also not here because these are vowels. And you can see I, O and U. The 5 letters which are vowels are not in the list of consonants. That's why these are the consonants and the vowels are A, E, I, O, U. So remember that in 26 alphabets, 5 vowels and 21 consonants. Okay, here we have the list of vowel and consonants, and you know very well there are 5 vowels and 21 consonants in all 26 alphabets. So let's read vowel or consonants. What are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels. A, E, I, O, U. These are 5 vowels. And you can see B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. And these are the consonants. These are the consonants. Hopefully you understand now which letters are vowels. There are 5 letters are vowels, and the letters are A, E, I, O, U, and all these letters are consonants. So remember that the 26 alphabets divided into 2 groups, 5 vowels and 21 consonants. Here we have vowels and consonants all together, and you can see the vowels are highlighted with blue color and the consonants are in red color. So you can see A, E, I, O and U are the vowels. A, E, I, O, U are the vowels, and B, the letters which are written in red, B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y and Z are the consonants. So remember these things. The 5 letters are vowels and letters are A, E, I, O, U, and the rest of the letters, which are 21, are the consonants. You can see here are lowercase alphabets in small letters, and you can see the vowels are in blue color and the consonants are in pink color. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y and Z are the consonants. So remember one thing always, students, there are 26 alphabets in there are 20 alphabets, and these alphabets are divided in 2 groups, and the groups are vowels and consonants, and the vowels have 5 alphabet letters and the consonants have 21 alphabet letters, and which are the vowels A, E, I, O, U, and rest of the letters are consonants. So do practice of these vowels and consonants and do this work on your Al-Hira vocabulary workbook. Thank you, students. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.